In this video, I'm going to show you how to motion track objects in CapCut on PC, so just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open CapCut PC and add your video to the timeline. Now once the video is on the timeline, make sure the clip is selected. Now on the right panel, go to Basic. Now scroll down until you find Camera Tracking. Now click on Camera Tracking and select Custom. Now once you do that, you'll see a tracking box appear on your video. Now reposition the tracking box so it covers the object you want to track. Now once the box is placed correctly, just click on Start. Now CapCut will begin tracking the object frame by frame automatically. Now wait for the tracking process to finish, and once it's done, the object will stay tracked throughout the clip. And that's it. That's how you motion track objects in CapCut PC. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.